Hello guys, welcome to the Mexican Food Channel. In today's video, we are making huevos a la Mexicana. For this video, all you need is 1 tomato, 2 eggs, 1 jalapeno, and 1/3 of an onion. Now you're gonna add a pinch of salt and pepper. Grab your serrano pepper and chop it finely. You can take out the seeds if you don't want it super spicy. Next, cut up 1/3 of an onion. Next, you're gonna do your tomatoes and you're gonna add all the ingredients into the bowl and you're gonna mix it. To cook the egg, add a bit of oil into your pan and let it warm up. Add in the egg and mix it. And there you have it, guys. Delicious huevos a la Mexicana. I hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to like and subscribe.